This is the part 3 of the KTG. Okay. Kinetic theory of gases. Gas law. The behaviors of gas can be described in terms of the macroscopic behaviors like pressures, volume, temperature with the help of the gases. Boyle's law. Charles law, gases law. Who gives the gases law? Charles law, Boyle's law, and Gay-Lucas law. Next, and Dalton partial pressure law. Dalton partial pressure law. Partial pressure law. Okay. Boyle's law. For a given mass of gases, constant pressure, constant temperature and pressure, all gases inversely varies with volume. For a constant temperature, the pressure of the gases inversely varies with time, like this. Like this. For a constant temperature, P V equals to constant and P inversely varies with temperature. The graph is like this graph. Please focus the graph. Okay. Temperature if remain constant, then the pressure is increasing here, then the pressure is increasing. Pressure is increasing. Okay. And the volume is also increasing here. Like this. Decreasing. Pressure decreasing, volume increasing. Okay, is it clear to everyone? The diagram is clear to you? Okay. Charles law. For a given mass of a gas, constant pressure, here given the constant pressure, volume is directly proportional to the temperature. Volume is, if the pressure is increasing, the temperature is also increasing here. The graph is showing this, like this. Okay. If the temperature increase, the volume also increase. The gas will expand to it. Okay. Next one. Gay-Lucas law. For a given masses of gas, the constant volume of pressure directly proportional to the absolute temperature. Okay. P proportional to temperature, P by T equals to always remain constant. The given is shown like this. Dalton pressure law. Total pressure exerted by the mixture. Okay. আমি যেটা বলছিলাম যে কোনো অবজেক্টের যদি ইন্ডিভিজুয়াল যে প্রেসারগুলো আছে সেই প্রেসারগুলোকে সাম আপ করলে টোটাল প্রেসারের সাথে সমান হবে। The total pressure exerted by the mixture of the non-interacting gas occupy the vessel is equals to the sum of all pressure which exerted it along occupy the same volume and gaseous pressures, temperature, same temperature. Here the volume and temperature will be have to be constant. Then this law will be followed. Okay. Thus the total pressure of the mixture of ideal gases, sum of the partial pressure. This is the Dalton laws of partial law pressures. MCQ. According to Boyle's law, we know that is very easy. Okay. Boyle's law, condition, necessary condition. What is the necessary condition? Constant temperature. Okay. V varies as T. Which law? Charles law. Where pressure equals to remain constant. P by T is the option C. Total pressures. This is Dalton's. Assumption of kinetic theories of gas, very important. Gas consists of large number of particles এবং সেই পার্টিকেল গুলো very small হবে। এই small particle গুলো আমরা molecules বলি। Okay, like this. The collision among and between the particle, the container wall, elastic collision. So there are no net loss of total kinetic energy. Okay. তারা কখনো কাইনেটিক এনার্জি বা মোমেন্টাম তারা লস করবে না। ইলাস্টিক কলিশনে তো সেটাই ঘটে, ইউ নো। There are no force of attraction among the gaseous particles. All particles of the same gases are identical in all aspects. The shape and ideal gas. The molecules like this. The molecules H2, molecule CO2. Pressure is constant in all direction. Pressure is constant in the all direction. মানে একটা গ্যাসেস পার্টিকেলকে যদি একটা কন্টেনার মধ্যে রেখে দেওয়া হয় তাহলে সেই গ্যাসেস পার্টিকেলগুলো প্রত্যেক কন্টেনারের অলে মানে লেফট সাইড, রাইট সাইড, ফ্রন্ট সাইড, ব্যাক সাইড সমস্ত জায়গায় সেম প্রেসার ক্রিয়েট করবে। ওকে, লাইক দিস, সেম প্রেসার ইন অল ডাইরেকশন। Is it clear? Next. Gas particles are continuous and rapid are in random motion. The gas particle continuous, rapid and its random motion. Therefore, they possess the kinetic energy and it is which is energy of motion. যে কাইনেটিক এনার্জিটা ফর্ম করছে সেটা তাদের কিসের জন্য? মোশনের জন্য। We know that kinetic energy equals to half mv square. The temperature of the gas depends on the average kinetic energy in it. The molecules obey the Newton's law of motion. Molecule also obey the Newton's law of motion. The molecules move freely in a straight line, obey the Newton's law of motion, and total momentum is conserved as usual. Momentum ta conserved thake, you know. This implies that total kinetic energy is also conserved. Since the collisions are considered to be elastic, so it can derive the expression the pressure of the kinetic based on the assumption of the kinetic energy, kinetic theory. Okay, বলছে যে কলিশনটা আমরা কনসিডার করছি ইলাস্টিক কলিশন, তাহলে আমরা এক্সপ্রেশনটা বলতে পারি যে the expression for the pressure of a gases based on this assumption of this kinetic theory. এই কাইনেটিক থিওরির উপর গ্যাসের যে প্রেসার বা এক্সেট্রা ইকুয়েশনগুলো তৈরি হবে। Okay, which of the following is assumption is kinetic theory of gases? All of this. The temperature of the gas depend on the which one? Temperature, kinetic energy. Pressure of an ideal gas. Consider a container having some gas in it. Like this, মলিকুলগুলো ঘোরাফেরা করছে, বোঝা যাচ্ছে দেবজ্যোতি? Okay. This is the molecule motion in a container. If consider n number of molecules in a gas, m is the mass of the molecules and m is the total masses. Total mass means number of molecules in mass. M is the molar mass, the molar weight of the gases. Okay, this is the last one. And the area of the each face, every face area is L square, so the length of this L. Next, consider the particle moving with velocity c1. Okay, this is c1 velocity, and c1 is the component has v1, u1, v1, w1 along the x, y, z axis. Let the u1 is the velocity along the x axis, v1 is the velocity along the y axis, and w1 is the velocity along the z axis. Okay, like this. So c is the resultant, c1 is the resultant velocity. So we consider c1 equals to u1 squared plus v1 squared plus w1 squared. Okay, the velocity component is given here, and c2 square equals to u2 square like this, c3 equals to also like this. Okay, if cn equals to this, so it will be, let's m be the mass of the molecules. See, the first molecule moving with velocity x direction is u1, like this. The first molecule moving with x direction. Okay, so its momentum will be mu1, and it's come back, bounce back. The momentum will be minus m v1 minus m u1. Okay. Next, the negative sign indicate the change of direction of momentum. Next, the change of momentum will be minus m u1 if we take it magnitude also only minus 2 m u1. Okay, change of momentum is here. Next, the rate of change of momentum we know. You have to divide it by t. Time taken to bounce back it. Okay. The speed, we know speed equals to distance by time. So time is speed is v1, distance 2l1 after going and back is covered 2l, and it will be t. So t will be 2l u1. The rate of change of momentum is called rate of change of momentum. If we put the value t, we will get 2m1 2m u1 by 2l. Okay. So like this form, according to the Newton's second law of motion, the rate of change of momentum is nothing but the force which all is heated the molecules. Wall-এর উপরে যে ফোর্সটা অ্যাক্ট করছে সেটা, so it will be force. So force exerted, this is F1 if we take the magnitude only. And similar, the force act by the second molecules is like this, and F number molecule is like this. Okay. Next, the total force exerted by the all molecules in all direction in x, Fx is equals to F1 plus F2 plus Fn this. F1 equals to mu1 by L1. So mu1 by mu1 square by this x axis here. F2 equals to mu2 square by L, and Fn equals to dot dot like this, and this is force considered along the x axis. Okay, this force along the x axis. So if we take common m by L, it will be like this. And similarly, this pressure along the x axis will be, we know that pressure equals to force per unit area. So put the value of A equals to L square. So Fx equals to mL cube by like this. Pressure along the x axis is the final expression of pressure along the x axis. So now y axis it will be this, z axis it will be like this, pressure along the z axis. From the assumption of kinetic theory of gas, pressure along the all direction is same. So Px equals to Py equals to Pz, and it will be P. So Px plus Py plus Pz equals to 3P. So if we take P equals to like this 1/3 Px Py Pz. Okay. So 1/3 if we put the value and take common like this. Okay. This is the pressure's equation. Px value, Py value, and Pz value. Okay. এইটা বসটা Px এর ভ্যালুটা বসালাম, এইটা P পরের লাইনে অ্যাড করে দিয়ে, এটা হচ্ছে Pz, এটা Py. ওকে. So 1/3 of if we take U1, V1, W1, it will be C1. We know C1 square, and similarly this and this term, it will be C2 square. Similarly, like this term, it will be Cn square. Okay, is it clear? So C1 square plus C2 square plus Cn square, Crm is equals to expression. What is the expression of this? C1 plus C1 C2 by number of particles. Okay, so the value is put this value 1/3 ml cube like this. Okay, and we know that a small n and capital N, a small m and capital N, it will be capital M, total number of mass. It will be total number of mass. And we know L cube equals to volume, L cube equals to volume, and we know that m by volume, mass by volume equals to density. It will be 1/3 rho c cube. Okay, so P equals to 1/3 rho c cube. P equals to 1/3 rho c cube. The force with which the wall hit the molecules and molecule hits the wall is called the force exerted. The force with which the wall hit the molecules and molecules hit the wall are same. But this is the action reaction force. মানে একটা মলিকুল অলকে যে ফোর্সটা দিচ্ছে একটা অল মলিকুলকে সেই ফোর্সটা দিচ্ছে। সেকেন্ড, প্রেসার অফ এ আইডিয়াল গ্যাস ইজ 1/3 rho c square. This expression. Different form of Peshar's equation. We know that P equals to 1/3 rho c square and C equals to like this form, rho equals to like this. Okay, CRM is equals to এই রোটা যদি এখানে ভ্যালুটা পুট করে দিই, রো এর ভ্যালুটা, then we will get 3 pb by m. ওকে, m এর ভ্যালুটা যদি এখানে বসিয়ে দিই তাহলে কি পাবো 3 pb by nm. ওকে, এবার এখান থেকে আরো কি পাচ্ছি দেখো, pb equals to nRT. So we put করে দিই, এটা যদি পুট করে দিই, then we will get 3 nRT by m, where n is the number of moles. Okay, if we put the value number of moles, then we will get like this form. Okay, so it will be 3 RT by m. এখান থেকে এটা যাদের ডাউট আছে একটু স্ক্রিনশট নিয়ে নেবে বা ভিডিওটা একটু দেখবে, এটা কিন্তু খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট। এটা এই ইকুয়েশন ম্যাক্সিমাম ম্যাথস কিন্তু এখান থেকে দেবে, ঠিক আছে। মোলার মাস এইগুলো যদি ম্যাথস নিউমেরিক্যাল করতে দেয় না তাহলে কিন্তু করতে পারবে না। আমি অবশ্য নিউমেরিক্যালস করাবো তোমাদেরকে। দেখো, ওকে, n equals to n by nm, 3 nRT by na by w mw। ভ্যালুগুলো পুট করে করে বসানো এখানে, ঠিক আছে, আর কিছুই না। এবার এখানে যদি আমরা r বাই n এটা সমান kb মানে মোলস কনস্ট্যান্টটাকে ইন টার্ম অফ লিখতে যাই তাহলে কি হবে, এইটার এটা r বাই n ইকুয়ালস টু k। ওকে, CRMS ইকুয়ালস টু লাইক দিস ফর্ম। সো 1/3 mcr স্কয়ার ইকুয়ালস টু 3 nkb t by 2। ওকে, MCQ CRMS equals to which one is right? এরকম যদি কোশ্চেন MCQ দিয়ে দেয় তাহলে কি করবে না জানলে, A and C। ওকে, নেক্সট ওয়ান, CRMS equals to which one is right? Which one is right? Which one is it? This is very confusing question. So এটা বাড়িতে তোমরা একটু দেখবে, প্র্যাকটিস করবে এটা like this. Okay, student, that's for today. We will start from next class, from next slide.